Hi, my name is Robert. In this iconic video, we'll show you how to connect your Fronius solar inverter to your Wi-Fi. If this video moves too fast for you, feel free to rewind, pause, or slow down the play speed using the YouTube controls. For this task, you'll need to be near your Fronius inverter. You'll need Wi-Fi password and a smart device. iPads, laptops work the best, but a smartphone will do. There are also printable notes in the description below. On the front of the inverter, there's a small screen with 4 buttons. Above each button is an icon that gives you an indication as to the function of that button. Hit button 3 to bring up a picture of the little house. Once you get a picture of the little house, hit the left button. Tap it one more time. Stop at the wrench and screwdriver and hit the enter button. Arrow down to Wi-Fi access point. Wi-Fi access point, hit enter. Hit enter to activate Wi-Fi access point. You'll see a prompt to deactivate the Wi-Fi. At this point, we step away from the screen and go to our smart device. We'll show you how to do this from an iPhone and Android. My Android is a Google Pixel. There's so many flavors of Android that yours probably won't look exactly the same as mine. Go to your home screen. Find and tap on Settings. On iPhone, tap on Wi-Fi. On Android, tap on Network and Internet. Android users get an extra step. Tap on Internet. From the list of available Wi-Fis, locate and tap on Fronius. You should get prompted for a password. The password is 12345678. Tap Join or Connect. iPhone will show a check mark next to Fronius to indicate you are connected. Android will show the word connected. You will see a message indicating no internet connection. This is good. We don't want or need to be connected to the internet for this part. You may get a pop-up message indicating it cannot connect to the internet. Please tap on Stay on Wi-Fi. Do not tap on cellular or mobile. Go back to your home screen. We'll need to start up a browser. All iPhones come with Safari installed, so use that or Chrome if you prefer. All Androids come with Chrome, so please use that for Android. In the website field, we'll type the address of the Fronius inverter. Type in http://192.168.250.181. On the bottom right of your keyboard, tap Enter or Go. A web page will start loading slowly. Ideally, you should see this web page. There are some cases where you might see another web page. I'll address that later in this video. Zoom in and scroll to the right-hand side of this web page. On the right-hand side, select Start Assistant. You may get a pop-up advising you to download the app for your phone. Just hit OK to make that go away. You are presented with the Fronius Setup Wizard. Click the Solar Web Wizard button. The General tab is presented. Check the system name. If there are any punctuation characters, please remove them. This will prevent errors further down the road. When done, tap the Forward button. This is the Inverter tab. There should be no changes made here, so go ahead and tap Forward. You'll get a pop-up note. Hit Accept on the pop-up note. On the left side of the screen, make sure solar.web via WLAN is selected. If you are connecting with an Ethernet cable, select solar.web via LAN. At the bottom, make sure Send Data to the Fronius Solar Web box is checked. Here on the right side of the page, you should see a list of available Wi-Fis. Tap the Wi-Fi to which you want to connect. Then click the Set button. A dialog box pops up. Check Show Password. Type in your home Wi-Fi password. Heads up, the phone keyboard may try to capitalize the first letter. Once you've typed in your password and you're sure it's correct, hit Save. The system will save your password. Once saved, go ahead and hit Connect. The system will save the network configuration. The system may repeat connection attempts up to 6 times. Upon successful connection, you will see this screen. If you get an error, you'll need to back up an extra step to the inverter screen. The reason we need to go back an extra screen is to force refresh the network setup screen. At the beginning of this video, I indicated you may not have the proper web page loaded up. If you did not have the correct start page, you most likely had this network status window. If that's the case, just click the back button at the bottom of the page until you get to the Inverter tab. At the Inverter tab, tap forward to get to the network setup screen. Once you get a successful network connection, click Continue via Access Point. Notice it's hiding down here in the corner. This will bring you to the Passwords tab. On the Passwords tab, type in Fronius1. Repeat the password. Make sure Protect Your System checkbox remains unchecked. When the passwords show acceptable and identical, go ahead and hit the Forward button. The system will think for a minute or two while it finishes up. Congratulations, the process is complete. If you weren't able to get this process to work for you, here are some common problems we've run into. If you made a mistake in the password, you'll have to go back an extra screen to the Inverter tab. Then tap the Forward button to get to the Network Setup tab, where you can re-enter the password. Sometimes Wi-Fi on my phone will disconnect from the Fronius and reconnect to my home Wi-Fi in the middle of the procedure. So check to make sure that you're still connected to the Fronius Wi-Fi. You can also try disabling cellular data to force the phone to use Wi-Fi. Fronius Wi-Fi does not work with WPA3 encryption, so you may have to enable WPA2 connections on your Wi-Fi router. Hopefully this video has helped you reconnect your solar inverter to your Wi-Fi. If you ran into trouble or just want an extra set of eyes to walk you through the process, please call the Iconic office at 815-979-0678. Also in the description below, you'll find a link to printable notes.